How to send anonymous messages in Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. As you know, the Facebook Messenger does not allow users to send anonymous messages. One of the ways to go around the policy is to create a fake profile. However, please proceed knowing that this method does not warrant complete anonymity, therefore resist sending vital or harmful material. Also, please note that you can't have a Messenger account if it's not linked to a viable Facebook account. With that said, follow these steps to proceed on your mobile device and simply send anonymous messages to your friends. So first you launch the Facebook app on your mobile device. Now tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you tap on the three dashboard, you will be navigated to the menu section. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on the logout option available there. You will be given an option of either saving your login information before logging out or not saving the information. Click on the former. Then tap on the create new account option available there. Now you will be required to input a bunch of informations such as your two names, birth dates, passwords and gender. Considering that we are trying to be anonymous, try to input information that does not lead back to you. So basically, try to put false information. After that, you must verify your account by linking it to your email address or phone number. Again, use a disposable phone number or create a fake email address. Once you have created a whole new account, launch the Messenger app. Once inside the Messenger app, make sure that you are logged into the account you have just created. Basically, the false account you have just created, you must log into that on the Messenger as well. So now, type in the Messenger search bar on the top of the screen. Now all you have to do is search for the person you want to send anonymous message to. Once their profile appears, tap on it. Simply tap on it and type your text in the chat box provided and press the send button, which is depicted as a blue arrow facing the right. Now the message will go to the message request folder if the recipient does not have you as their friend and you have no mutual friends. So that is it. So basically there are too many loopholes, and with some considerable efforts it is easy for your identity to be uncovered. Make sure you have a fake email address or phone number to do so. Sending anonymous messages is not advisable because it elements the spirit of transparency that Facebook Messenger abides by. However, feel free to create a fake profile if you send the messages for a harmless purpose, such as tipping the authorities off over illegal activity. Though fake profiles are not entirely anonymous, you can get away with it if the recipient does not have enough tech expertise to uncover who you are. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.